Hey friends, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my updated high puff routine, and it's a super special video because we are going to be throwing it back all the way to 2017 just so we can see the growth in my hair. So the first thing you're going to do is add water, especially if you're just refreshing your hair. We know that water is what? The #1 carrier of moisture. So in order for any of your topical products to absorb into the head and to avoid flakes and things like that, you always want to start with water. And this was my hair girl with the water 4 years ago. So now I'm going to go in with a leave-in. I know everybody was using the Jerry Curl gel, but girl, the S-Curl No Drip Activation leave-in is the one. Until then, I'm going to go in with the Main Choice Biotin Gel. You guys know that I'm really into Main Choice gels, especially for slicking my hair lately. It just gets it nice and smooth and wavy. So we're just going to apply that and scrunch a little bit into the hair. And then I'm going to go in with a soft bristle brush. Ooh, that is hard to say when you're from Baltimore. And I'm just going to smooth up my edges and around the nape, getting it nice and laid for the elastic band. So then we're going to put that on and just gently push it up the hair. I like elastic bands because it just gives you a nice hold without snatching at the hair too much. So after I have it in the band, I'm just going to smooth it up and then pick it out to shape. And I love this style. It's super easy, especially after wash and go, a twist out. I mean, girl, look here. I ain't even had no hair to pick and I was still picking it. Okay. So then we're going to go in and style our edges. And it was so important for me to make this a throwback style video because so often in our lives, we lack patience. We want the home right now and the car right now and the love right now and the money right now and all of the things right now. But if you just water your garden, it will grow. If you take care of your hair, it will grow. If you're consistent and persistent in all of the things you desire, it will come to you. Be gentle with yourself because you are growing. And so as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to thumbs it up. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, meet me down in the comment section. I will be in the back by the snacks. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.